Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about 6 steps before buying a land. Before we start, I would like to credit the content of our video to PNG Voice for sharing. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. 6 steps before buying a land. Step number 1. Obtain a copy of the title. When a real estate agent or landowner offers a property for sale, the first step is to get a copy of the land title. Investigate the register of deeds using this copy to ensure the land is free of encumbrances such as mortgages, claims, or other issues. Verify that the copy matches exactly with the records at the Register of Deeds to confirm it is genuine and problem-free. Step number 2. Conduct a relocation survey. Hire a geodetic engineer to conduct a relocation survey of the land boundaries. Ensure that there are no structures or fences from adjacent lots encroaching of the property you intend to buy. Number 3. Execute a deed of sale. If the land is problem-free, proceed to execute a deed of sale or contract of sale. Both the seller and buyer must sign the contract. Must be notarized. Number 4. Step number 4. Pay documentary stamps. Within a month from the notarization of the deed of sale, pay the documentary stamps. This is crucial payment that must be made promptly to avoid complications. Step number 5. Pay capital gains tax. The seller must pay the capital gains tax to the BIR or Bureau of Internal Revenue here in the Philippines because they earned from the sale. The BIR will issue a certificate of authority to register certifying that all taxes have been paid and authorizing the transfer of the title to the buyer. And lastly, step number 6, transfer fees and title transfer. Once you have the certificate of authority to register, take it to the Register of Deeds, pay the transfer fees, which are relatively inexpensive. The Register of Deeds will surrender the owner's copy of the title and you will need to wait for the title transfer process to be completed. Continuous follow-up is necessary because the process at the Register of Deeds can take some time. Following these steps ensures that the land purchase process is smooth and free from legal issues. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on tips in before buying a land, or 6 steps before buying a land here in the Philippines. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.